Right, today we're going to have a look at loading a Pentax K1000. Now these film cameras, sometimes they can be a little bit problematic to load if you've been used to some of the more modern varieties that have auto load. But it is pretty simple. So we're going to have a look at a couple of things we need to do first. One of the first things to do is to look at the film you've got and just check the ASA rating. In this case we're using HP5, which is a rating of 400 ASA. And one of the first things to do is to just check that the ASA rating is the same on the camera as it is as the film. So we set this at 400 ASA. Check that first and you'll be fine. Now, to open the camera, you pull up on this knob here and the back will come open. Okay? And this is what we've got inside. We've got a film chamber here. We've got the shutter blind, which you must keep your fingers away from because it's easily damaged. We've got a little take-up spool here. And we've got some slots in it. Okay? And then when you wind on, you'll notice the little slots will move. Okay? So, open the film. Insert the film in the film chamber. Push down on the knob so that it fixes into the film. And just pull the film out a little bit. Okay? And then you need to tuck it into the slot so that it fits right into the slot quite nicely. Okay? Then wind on. Now I like to give it a couple of turns. You may lose the odd frame off the start of the film, but it does make sure if you wind it on like that, that the film is wound on quite nicely. Then, if you shut the back, like so, and just rewind it very, very slightly until you've taken up all the slack. This means then, when you wind on, you'll see the rewind spool move. And as long as that's moving, you know that you've loaded the film correctly. When you've taken all your shots and you go to rewind the film, don't forget to press that rewind button. Otherwise you'll rip the film out of the canister. Just something to remember.